Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Khazana Collection. Today we're unboxing an exciting parcel filled with collectible banknotes from around the world. This time I'm being extra careful, wearing gloves to keep every note in pristine UNC condition. Let's get started. The parcel has arrived from banknotecoinstamp.com, a reliable seller known for sending genuine currency notes, complete with an invoice, GST, and order details. I'll share the prices as we go. Our first note is from Angola, a 200 Kwanzas polymer banknote. It features beautiful transparent elements, vibrant colors, and is in uncirculated condition. This note cost rupees 160, approximately $2. Next, we have a two-lay note from Romania, also polymer. It's elegant, with floral designs and sophisticated patterns. I already had a one low, so this helps me complete the set. Rupees 25, which is $2.3. Now onto two stunning Philippine Piso notes, 50 and 100 peso, both polymer. The 100 peso note is rich in color and security features. Cost, rupees 350. The 50 peso note is animal-themed and beautifully designed. Cost, rupees 265, which is $3.1. Both are in UNC condition and feel premium in hand. Here's a 50 manat note from Turkmenistan, in paper. Simple yet striking, it cost me rupees 120, around $1.5. Now for some South American flair. Two notes from Brazil. 5. Cruzeiros vintage feel and quality design, priced at rupees 14.5, which is $1.7. Two reais, more modern and vibrant, cost rupees 135, which is $1.6. Each note represents a different era in Brazil's monetary history. Let's not miss these beautiful notes from Burundi. 10 francs, small, simple, and just rupees 65, which is less than $1. 1,000 francs, vibrant design and paper quality, rupees 135, which is $1.6. That's a quick look at the individual mixed notes in this parcel. But we're not done yet. In part 2, we'll explore a full 7-note set from Lebanon. Stay tuned and let's move on.